Unveiling the all-new 2025 Toyota Tacoma. Welcome to our comprehensive review of the all-new 2025 Toyota Tacoma, a midsize pickup truck that combines rugged performance with modern amenities. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone who needs a reliable workhorse, the Tacoma promises to deliver on all fronts. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews and the latest updates in the automotive world. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Toyota Tacoma a standout in its class. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma features a bold and aggressive design that immediately commands attention. At the front, you'll find a redesigned grille that's flanked by sharp LED headlights, enhancing both visibility and its modern look. The muscular hood and sculpted lines running along the body add to its rugged appeal. From the side, the Tacoma showcases prominent fender flares and stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, which not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its excellent road grip. The higher ground clearance and durable side steps highlight its off-road capability, while the bed comes with a new composite material that's both lightweight and robust. The rear end features LED taillights and a redesigned tailgate that reflects the Tacoma's tough character. Interior features and comfort. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Tacoma, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that balances ruggedness with comfort. The interior features high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and durable upholstery designed to withstand the elements. The front seats are power-adjustable and heated, ensuring maximum comfort for both the driver and passenger. The rear seats offer ample legroom and can be folded up to provide additional cargo space, making the Tacoma versatile for various needs. The dual-zone automatic climate control allows passengers to customize their temperature settings, ensuring a pleasant journey for everyone. The redesigned dashboard and center console provide a modern look, while also being practical and easy to use. Technology and connectivity. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma is equipped with the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. The system is intuitive and responsive, providing easy access to navigation, music, and hands-free calls. For audiophiles, the Tacoma features a premium JBL sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio throughout the cabin. Additional tech features include multiple USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and a digital instrument cluster that provides essential driving information at a glance. The advanced GPS navigation system ensures you stay on track during your journeys, whether on-road or off-road. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma offers a choice of engines, including a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine. The V6 engine delivers robust performance with 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. This combination ensures a powerful yet efficient driving experience, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tough off-road trails. The Tacoma's advanced suspension system is designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and ensuring stability. The vehicle's noise insulation is top-notch, creating a quiet and serene cabin environment even on rough terrains. The Tacoma's four-wheel drive 4WD system enhances traction and stability, making it perfect for various driving conditions, from snowy roads to rocky trails. Off-road prowess. The 2025 Tacoma is known for its off-road capability, and the new model takes it to the next level. With features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an electronically locking rear differential, the Tacoma is ready for any adventure. The TRD Pro trim comes with upgraded suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, ensuring you can conquer the toughest trails with ease. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Tacoma comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety systems include Toyota Safety Sense, which encompasses adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The Tacoma also features a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. Additionally, the Tacoma offers advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. The robust construction and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection for all occupants. Toyota's commitment to safety is evident in every aspect of the Tacoma, making it a reliable choice for both work and play. Trim levels and customization. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma is available in several trim levels, each offering a unique set of features and customization options. From the base SR model with essential features to the top-tier TRD Pro with off-road enhancements, there's a Tacoma for every discerning driver. Customization options include various exterior colors, interior trims, and accessory packages, allowing you to personalize the Tacoma to match your style and needs. Available options include leather seating, enhanced audio systems, and advanced driver assistance packages. Toyota also offers a range of genuine accessories, such as roof racks, tow bars, and bed liners, to further tailor the Tacoma to your lifestyle. Driving experience. Driving the 2025 Toyota Tacoma is an experience in itself. The powerful engines provide effortless acceleration, making highway merging and overtaking a breeze. The precise steering and well-tuned suspension offer a comfortable and composed ride, even on rough roads. The Tacoma's advanced 4WD system ensures excellent traction and stability, giving you confidence in various driving conditions. The Tacoma also excels in towing capability, with a maximum towing capacity of 6,800 pounds. This makes it ideal for those who need to tow boats, trailers, or other heavy loads. The trailer sway control system and integrated trailer brake controller enhance safety and control when towing, making the Tacoma a versatile and capable truck. In conclusion, the all-new 2025 Toyota Tacoma redefines the midsize pickup truck segment with its bold design, advanced features, and rugged performance. Whether you're navigating city streets, embarking on off-road adventures, or towing heavy loads, the Tacoma promises to deliver unmatched sophistication and capability. Wrap up. Thank you for watching our detailed review of the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know which features of the Tacoma you are most excited about. Your feedback is important to us. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cars and automotive trends. We bring you detailed reviews, comparisons, and the latest news in the automotive world. Your support helps us create more high-quality content just for you. Until next time, drive in rugged style.